Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter login problem in Bgmi EOS. We will go to figure out the solution on settings. We will click here, then we come here to this is window like you say, and we go down. We will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window, and we just go down to looking for Twitter, and we will click here on Twitter. Then we come here to Twitter app, and this is window, and we click here on force stop, then you click here on OK, and you click here on storage, then you click here on clear stop, and you click here on clear data, and you just update your app on Play Store, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all Twitter settings.